Good morning, guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kate. Please make sure to like and subscribe to keep in touch with my uploads. I'm going to be doing Vlogmas this year. Well, I am doing Vlogmas this year. So plenty more videos to come. It is just about 7 o'clock this morning, and I am going to be taking you along for a day in my life. I am back to work today after the weekend and Thanksgiving. So yeah, probably nothing too exciting, but just kind of wanted to take you along for a day in my life. My voice is super raspy because I just woke up. So let's get this day started. So I just went ahead and changed my clothes really quick. I'm just wearing this blue 84 long sleeve t-shirt and leggings. I work from home, so I don't have to be dressed up. And honestly, some days I do stay in my pajamas, but I try not to. And so, yeah, I just changed. And now I'm going to throw on a little bit of makeup. Nothing crazy. So probably just going to put you guys in fast forward through it. that is my makeup all done. Like I said, nothing special, just a little bit of concealer and powder, eyebrows and mascara. Just because I'm going to be filming this video today, I don't always put on makeup because I work from home and no one sees me. And so, yeah, just wanted to do a little something, I guess. I am about to clock on for work now. This is my little setup right here. I really like it because I have like this window that I can look out. But yeah, it's like 7:34 right now. So I'm gonna clock on, and I'm sure I have emails and stuff to catch up on because yeah, we had a half day last Wednesday, so I haven't been on work for like a while. So I'm just gonna get caught up, and then I will catch back up with you guys when I'm doing something else. Gonna be a bowl of fruit. I just have green grapes, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. I really like berries and green grapes. So yeah, that's my breakfast, as well as that big cup of coffee that you saw earlier. Hey guys, so it is now 1:45. I've just been working, and I had the ADT guy here most of the morning, just like setting up the alarm system and everything. So it is pretty late, but I really need to eat lunch. I normally wouldn't wait until like 2 to eat lunch. I would normally eat lunch at like noon probably, especially because I only had fruit for breakfast. But I just made up some veggies yesterday, as well as some chicken and turkey burgers. So I'm gonna have a turkey burger and some veggies for lunch. I'm just gonna whip that up right now, and then I'll show you what I make, I guess, once it's all put together and warmed up. But yeah. So this is lunch. It doesn't really look that good. Like, the veggies definitely don't look great, but they're really delicious. I just sauteed red onion, mushrooms, and zucchini in olive oil with garlic salt, and then I added more garlic salt on top after I warmed it up. And then I just have a turkey burger with a slice of sharp cheddar, some mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard, and then a glass of water. And I'm just gonna take this upstairs and eat it while I work. So honestly, that lunch did not fill me up, probably because it's like already 2 o'clock and I would have already ate lunch and then probably like a snack by now. So I just got some chips and salsa. I'll show you. So I just got a plate of blue corn tortilla chips and then some salsa. I really like Jack's special salsa. I got it from Meyer here in Michigan, but it's so good. It's like really fresh. So I'm just gonna snack on that, drink my water, and yeah. So I just clocked off of work. It is pretty much 3:40 now, and I'm feeling so exhausted. Don't know if it's from like being sick or what, but I'm just feeling so tired. And for now, I'm gonna go and let my dogs out and maybe open up those packages that I got today. So I got some packages like I mentioned, but I actually think that I'm going to do like an unboxing and do like a separate video of things that I've recently purchased, just because like with the sales going on for the past week. I feel like Black Friday sales were going on for like the past week. Honestly, like the week before Black Friday there was sales. So I just got some stuff and I think I'm gonna do a separate video for that. I also have another package that I'm really excited about that's coming in tomorrow that I think I want to add to it. So I'm just gonna hold off on showing you guys what's in here, but stay tuned because it'll be another video. I'm back and I decided that I'm gonna get my life together. I'm gonna vacuum the house and then I'm gonna get all my laundry around and I'm gonna take it to my parents and I'm gonna do my laundry because it's not that big of a deal. I can literally sit at my parents and like start editing this video and just like hang out and stuff. And so yeah, it's not that big of a deal. I'm just gonna do it and get it over with. I just don't want to have to leave my house. So catch up with you soon. So like you just saw, I just got done vacuuming and now I'm just gonna spray down the countertops and give those a little bit of a clean too. I just like, when you spray the countertops, I feel like it just makes everything smell good. My floors and my countertops are like something I clean daily just because I like to, well, I don't clean my floors daily. I clean my floors like every other day because I have 4 dogs and 3 cats. So I just clean those every other day. And then I do clean my countertops probably like every day or every night. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean those. I've been really liking the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. I had the apple cider scent of this spray for like fall, but I got the Iowa pine scent for like Christmas. Okay, I kind of finagled it. Mom, I know you're watching this. I'm not driving. I'm not gonna do it while I'm driving until I get a car mount, okay? But I just loaded up my car and I need to stop and get gas because my gas light just came on and I never let my gas light come on. And then I'm going to get Taco Bell. So, yeah, on to the next stop.
you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, what can I get for you?
I actually placed an order on the app for Kate. Secured the bag. Looks so pretty out with the fresh snow on all the trees. Love it. Hey, Schemy boy. So just got to my mom's and look at what she's making for dinner. Freaking tacos. What did I get for dinner? Taco Bell. Isn't my mom's tree so pretty? Oh, I love it. So I get the Taco Bell Power Bowl, but I do like heavily customize on it. I add like chicken, beef, extra lettuce, jalapenos, creamy jalapeno sauce, a lot of different things. And then I just got a side of chips and cheese and large Diet Pepsi, which I need to stop drinking pop, but yeah. So there's dinner. Hey guys, so I just finished dinner and I'm at my parents', as you can tell. And so I'm just going to finish up doing my laundry and then probably start editing this video since I want to get it up tomorrow. And yeah, when I get home, I'm just going to do probably like the same night routine as in my last video. So if you haven't watched that, go and watch that right now. And yeah, I think probably I'll try to videotape that, the unboxing of all the packages that I got today, because as I was leaving to come to my parents, actually the package that I was waiting for to do that video arrived. So I'll try to get that up also in like the next day or two. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.